Tesla spotted testing Cybertruck crab driving at Giga, Texas. Tesla has touted the Cybertruck's rear-wheel steering in the past, but a new video taken at the automaker's factory in Austin, Texas, this week shows the company testing the feature with an interesting driving maneuver. In a clip shared on X on Wednesday by drone pilot and Gigafactory Texas scout Joe Tetmeyer, you can see Tesla testing out a crab driving or crab walking technique by using the rear wheel steering to maneuver forward while driving at an angle. The short clip takes place in a dirt construction lot area of Giga, Texas, and when you look closely, you can see the rear wheels at a slight angle, giving the vehicle a tilted forward approach. You can see the full clip posted by Tetmeyer below. Tetmeyer also says he plans to release a longer video from his time at Giga, Texas on Wednesday, and this story will be updated to include the full video upon release. Did you know Cybertruck can crab walk drive? Check out this short video from Giga, Texas testing out this crab walking capability. As the video might suggest, rear wheel steering, also called four-wheel steering, could be crucial for use at job sites, in off-road situations, or in other scenarios where an extra tight turn radius or the ability to crab drive may come in handy. Tesla is not the first automaker to deploy rear-wheel steering, though it certainly looks unique when the Cybertruck uses it. The Cybertruck has been spotted testing several times in the last few months, both on public roads and around Tesla's factories. In September, the Cybertruck's rear-wheel steering was seen being used to perform a U-turn at an intersection, and the feature has been shown off by Tesla at other times in the past, too. The sighting also comes ahead of Tesla's Cybertruck delivery event later this month, which is set to take place on November 30th. The event will be held at Giga, Texas, and Tesla is offering shareholders the chance to win tickets to see the event in person with a random drawing. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at Teslarati.